it's Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we're going to make a solid scrub using our cucumber mint fragrance oil. Let's whip it up! Okay, so today we are going to make a solid scrub using Nature's Garden's Cucumber Mint Fragrance Oil. Super fresh, amazing scent. If you have not tried it, I highly recommend it. What we are starting with, we have 300 grams of sugar. We have 325 grams of coconut oil. We, of course, have our Cucumber Mint Fragrance Oil, and we are using 12 grams. We also have green tea that we're going to add into our scrub. It is a powdered green tea. We are using 6 grams. We're also using 6 grams of the vitamin E oil. And now we're just going to begin mixing everything together. So since the green tea is in a powdered form, we're going to go ahead and add it right to our sugar. And then we're going to get it all blended before we add the sugar to the oil. Okay, so now we're going to add our cucumber mint fragrance oil, and we're going to add it directly to our coconut oil. In addition, we're using vitamin E. Vitamin E is a great antioxidant, so it's going to slow the oxidation process, which is really great when you're working with herbs because they will over time oxidize. And we're using 6 grams of the vitamin E. And now we're just going to stir it together. And then we'll begin adding our sugar mixture. Okay, finally, we're going to start pouring our scrub mixture into these clamshell containers. The really great thing about using clamshell containers for a solid scrub is they're compartmentalized, so you can take one piece and use it, and then close it back up, seal it, and use your next cube the next time you are ready for a scrub. So, let's go ahead and just pour this into our clamshells. And then once we finish pouring them, we'll just let them set up and they'll be ready to use. All right, and for even more fragrance fun ideas, make sure that you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and you like the video. And until next time, we will see you later. Bye, guys.